Hello, my name is Jasnoor Singh. Today I am presenting PPT on COVID-19. Origin. The scientific is that COVID-19 has a natural origin. The probable bat to human infection may have been among people processing bat and guano in the production of traditional Chinese medicines. Chemical composition of virus. In outbreak of a novel coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2 RCL is conserved. Share 99.02% sequence identified with SARS-CoV-3 CL. Mode of transmission. According to current evidence, COVID-19 is virus primarily transmitted between people through respiratory droplets and contact routes. The disease can spread from person to person through small droplets from nose or mouth, which are spread when a person with COVID-19 coughs or exhales. These droplets land on object and surface around the person. Mechanism of its action. Humans have long been infected by coronavirus, as it is one of these responsible for the common cold. It is contagious viral infection that can be spread through inhalation or of viral droplets. As a result, coughing and sneezing and touching infected surface are primary sources of infection. Reason for spreading. People can catch COVID-19 from others who have virus. The disease can spread from person to person through small droplets, the nose or mouth, which are spread when a person with COVID-19 coughs or exhales. These droplets land on object and surface around the person. Symptoms of disease. COVID-19 most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, tiredness. Less common symptoms are ache, sore throat, diarrhea, headache, or etc. Precaution. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from people who is coughing or sneezing. Don't touch eyes, nose or mouth. Cover your nose, mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you are coughing or sneezing. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have fever, cough, difficulty breathing, seek medical attention, call in advance. Treatment. To date, there are no specific vaccines or medicines for COVID-19. Treatments are under investigation and will be tested through clinical trials. Self-care. If you feel sick, you should rest and drink plenty of fluid and eat nutritious food. Stay in separate room from other family members and use a dedicated bathroom if possible. Clean and disinfect